Want to move your USDT from OKX to Binance? This is a common practice among crypto traders for various reasons. Many traders move their USDT to take advantage of better prices, special trading opportunities, or even different features offered by another exchange. For instance, Binance might offer a more favorable trading fee or a unique token that isn't available on OKX. This guide will make the process simple and safe, ensuring you don't miss any crucial steps. First things first, what is USDT? USDT or Tether is a type of stablecoin. It's like a digital dollar designed to maintain a stable value, making it easy to use for trading and transfers. Moving USDT between exchanges is similar to transferring money between bank accounts, but with the added benefits of speed and lower fees. This guide will walk you through each step, from initiating the transfer on OKX to completing it on Binance. We'll use the TRC20 network, known for its affordability and popularity among USDT users. Ready? Let's get started. First, log into your OKX account. Don't have one? Sign up, it's quick. Once logged in, look for assets. Usually it's at the top of the screen. This is where you manage your cryptocurrencies. Click Assets. You'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find USDT. The amount you own is displayed next to it. Now let's withdraw your USDT. Click on Withdraw next to your USDT balance. You'll see a page asking for withdrawal details. Important part, choose the correct network. For this guide, we'll use TRC20. Make sure TRC20 is selected. Why TRC20? It's fast and has low fees. Double check you've selected TRC20 or you might lose your USDT. Section 4. Preparing your Binance wallet. Finding your deposit address. First, log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, which is your central hub for managing all your cryptocurrencies. In the Wallet section, look for the Fiat and Spot tab. This is where you can see all your balances. Click on the Deposit button to proceed. Now you will see a list of cryptocurrencies available for deposit. Scroll through the list and select USDT, which stands for Tether. It's crucial to select the correct network for your deposit. Choose the TRC20 network to ensure compatibility and lower transaction fees. Selecting the correct network like TRC20 ensures that your USDT arrives safely and without any issues. This step is very important to avoid any loss of funds. After selecting the network, Binance will generate a unique deposit address specifically for your USDT on the TRC20 network. This address is unique to your account. This deposit address functions like your bank account number but for USDT on the TRC20 network. Make sure to copy this address accurately to use it for your deposit transactions. Section 5. Making the transfer confirmation and security. In this section, we will guide you through the crucial steps of confirming and securing your cryptocurrency transfer. Ensuring that every detail is correct is vital to avoid any potential loss of funds. First, go back to your OKX withdrawal page. This is where you will initiate the transfer process. Make sure you are logged into your account and have navigated to the correct section. Next, paste the Binance deposit address you just copied into the address field. This step is crucial, as any mistake here could result in your funds being sent to the wrong address. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Be precise with the amount to ensure the correct transfer of funds. Double-check the address, network, and amount. This step cannot be overstated. Verifying these details ensures that your funds will reach the intended destination without any issues. OKX will show you the transaction fee. This fee is the cost of using the TRC20 network, and it's important to be aware of it before proceeding. Once you are satisfied with all the details, click Withdraw. This action will initiate the transfer process. OKX might ask you for extra security checks. These checks are in place to protect your account and ensure that the transaction is authorized by you. This is normal and keeps your funds safe. Completing these security steps is essential for the protection of your assets. Once confirmed, the transfer begins. You will see a notification indicating that the transaction is in progress. You'll get a confirmation message. This message will confirm that the transfer has been successfully initiated. The USDT will arrive in your Binance wallet shortly. The time it takes can vary, so be patient. You can track the transaction's progress using a blockchain explorer. This tool allows you to see the status of your transfer in real time. You successfully transferred USDT from OKX to Binance using the TRC20 network. Congratulations on completing the transfer. Remember, always double-check addresses and networks to avoid mistakes. Happy trading! Ensuring accuracy in these steps will help you avoid costly errors and keep your funds secure.